After 60, most people are told that just walking is enough to stay strong, protect their bones, balance, and independence. But in real-world experience with older adults, this advice is incomplete. Walking is good for heart and general health, but it does not fully stop sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle strength and function after 60. Without strength exercises, muscles in the legs, hips, and core keep weakening. Over time, this makes simple tasks harder, like standing up, climbing stairs, and staying balanced. The good news is this is not permanent. The body still responds to the right kind of movement, even in your 70s and 80s. You don't need a gym or intense workouts. You just need to move correctly and consistently. 1. Supported single leg stand. This exercise is often avoided because it feels uncomfortable at first. Many people say, "I don't trust my balance." But balance is not something you keep. It is something you train. That's why the first step is simply learning to control your body while standing on one leg. Stand next to a chair and hold it with one hand. Stand tall, then slowly lift one foot a few inches off the ground. Keep your body upright and avoid leaning. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds, then lower it and switch sides. Repeat 4 to 6 times per leg once daily. As you improve, reduce your support gradually. 2. Side step with support. This is one of the most important yet underestimated exercises. Walking alone does not train side-to-side stability. Stand behind a chair and hold it. Step one foot to the side in a slow, controlled motion, then bring the other foot toward it. Pause, stabilize, then step the other way. Take about 2 seconds per step. Do 8 to 10 steps each direction. Complete 2 sets daily or most days. Reduce hand support over time. 3. Sit to stand. Stand up from your chair without using your hands. If you can do it easily, it's a great sign of strong legs. But if you need to push with your arms or struggle to stand up, it usually means your lower body is losing strength and control. Now here's how to strengthen your legs. Sit on a chair with feet flat and slightly under your knees. Sit tall, lean forward slightly, and stand up slowly using your legs. Take 2 seconds up, pause, then 3 seconds down. Stay in control. Do 6 to 8 repetitions, 2 sets daily. Use your hands if needed at first, then reduce support.